Did you know that some of the most powerful medicines don't come in a bottle, but grow in your backyard or sit quietly on your kitchen shelf? Herb Today, we're diving into the top 10 medicinal herbs that have been used for thousands of years to heal, protect, and rejuvenate the body, all naturally. From fighting inflammation to easing stress and improving digestion, these herbs are true nature's miracles. Stick around till the end, the last one might just be the most powerful of all. 1. Turmeric, the golden healer. First up, the golden spice of India, turmeric. Its secret weapon? A compound called curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Turmeric is known to reduce joint pain, improve brain function, support heart health, and even fight cancer cells. Use tip: add half a teaspoon to warm milk or tea with black pepper for better absorption. 2. Ginger, nature's digestive tonic. Next is ginger, a zesty root that does much more than flavor your food. It's excellent for easing nausea, motion sickness, and boosting digestion. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory effects to help relieve sore muscles and colds. Use tip: brew fresh ginger slices with lemon and honey for a soothing tea. 3. Tulsi, holy basil, the queen of herbs. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is called the queen of herbs. Why? Because it's a natural adaptogen, it helps the body cope with stress and restores balance. Tulsi supports the immune system, respiratory health, and even mental clarity. Use tip: drink Tulsi tea daily or chew a few leaves in the morning. 4. Peppermint, cool and calm. Peppermint is more than just a breath freshener. It helps relieve headaches, indigestion, and bloating. It also relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract and can even improve energy and focus. Use tip: peppermint tea after meals helps calm your tummy. 5. Ashwagandha, the stress shield. Meet ashwagandha, the king of stress-busting herbs. It's an adaptogen that reduces cortisol levels, supports adrenal health, and improves energy, sleep, and mood. Use tip: take ashwagandha powder with warm milk at night or as a daily capsule. 6. Garlic, heart's best friend. Garlic is one of nature's most powerful natural antibiotics. It supports heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, boosts immunity, and even fights fungal infections. Use tip: eat 1 clove of raw garlic in the morning with water for maximum benefits. 7. Lavender, the relaxation herb. Struggling with stress or insomnia? Try lavender. It has calming properties that soothe anxiety, reduce restlessness, and improve sleep. Use tip: use lavender oil in a diffuser or put a drop on your pillow at night. 8. Fenugreek, the metabolic booster. Fenugreek is a powerful herb for blood sugar control, digestion, and even promoting healthy hair. It also helps new moms by boosting milk production. Use tip: soak 1 teaspoon of seeds overnight, and drink the water in the morning. 9. Chamomile, calm in a cup. Chamomile is one of the best herbs for relaxation, anxiety relief, and digestive comfort. It gently soothes the nervous system and prepares the body for deep sleep. Use tip: drink chamomile tea before bedtime for natural rest. 10. Neem, the body cleanser. Neem is a powerful detoxifier. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. Great for clear skin, liver health, and flushing out toxins from the blood. Use tip: chew neem leaves or drink neem juice once or twice a week. These 10 herbs have been trusted for centuries, and now, science is catching up. Start small, stay consistent, and let nature support your health journey. Which of these herbs do you already use? Or which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below.